Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to contact support in ColorBlock Jam. If you want to easily contact support in ColorBlock Jam and get help with any of your issues during the game, you can easily follow through the steps. First of all, launch the ColorBlock Jam app open on your device and make sure that you're in the home page. Once you're inside, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and this will open up Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Support. This will now open up the popular articles under the Support section. If one of the articles matches your queries, you can expand them and find possible help from the support page. If you want to directly contact the support and chat with them, scroll all the way down and click on Chat with Us. Now you can go ahead and enter your issue you are experiencing while using ColorBlock Jam. You can also write down your account ID, the type of issue, and a detailed description of your problem. You will then be able to follow through the instructions and select your problems, and you'll be sent possible help or the correct steps you can take regarding your issue. So that's how you can easily contact support in ColorBlock Jam. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.